all these members for your...
It's about 70 people have lost their lives. 22 others are injured. 8 persons are missing. 24,000 households have people displaced, equivalent to about 120,000 people. And in totality, 131,000 people are affected. We are trying to put up about 4 billion Kenya shillings as an emergency intervention from the National Treasury, and we'll make sure at least that the NYS that is doing a lot of work is sufficiently facilitated with resources to be able to carry out the work of settling the people who need to be settled, unblocking drainages, trying to help with the dams where the water is coming from. We'll be able to put some resources to the National Disaster Operations Center so that the people there are able to stay there 24 hours to monitor the situation across the country and propose and initiate the necessary interventions that are required. We'll be able to put some resources to the National Police Service, to the Coast Guard, and to the Ministry of Interior as coordinating and logistic interveners in this matter. We have also asked the National Treasury to give priority to counties that have been affected so that they can access funds owed to them for the purposes of emergencies. And again, even where you have exhausted the funds, Governor Sakaja, you can still reallocate within your own space, because at the end of it all that money that you have is for the people of Nairobi. And if they are dead and carried by water, there will be nobody to enjoy those services. The Department of Asal will be able to provide some funds for food and non-food items so that we can harness the efforts of our development partners who are also providing food and non-food items. So I want to request our partners to give non-food items in terms of blankets, in terms of dignity packs, in terms of food and any other items that you may have for the people of Nairobi, to those people who will be in those camps. And I think once we do that, we'll be able to make a lot of good progress. We want to